What's going on, guys? Welcome to the weekly gold and GJ forecast. Now look at our beautiful indicator that you can see here on the charts. I've just added a new update today. This is in the secret indicator group, guys. This will give you high probable entries. It will print them. And if you were on the live trading session on Friday, you would have seen that this was printing the same entries that we were taking manually. We didn't even have the indicator on. It's super powerful, guys. You can adjust the risk to reward. You can play around with things in here. And it will generate signals for you automatically as well, which is really, really cool once you've got the parameters set to how you want to trade, risk management-wise, risk reward-wise, etc. And I've just added this multi-time frame trend analyzing indicator here. So now this is also going to help you with your risk management. This is perfect for beginner traders, because now you're going to know, right, if they're all green and I get a green signal, then I can risk more on that trade because I'm trading with a trend. Price is looking good. Whereas if you get a buy signal and most of these are red, then number one, you can either stay out of the trade or you can jump in it with minimal risk, and it helps you mitigate, your overall risk and actually increase your overall risk reward, which is super, super powerful. But for now, let's switch these off, guys, and do a top-down analysis from the monthly chart. So as you see, guys, so far this month we haven't really moved. We had this bullish close. Let me just move my self out of the way. I can't see my toolbar. So on the monthly we had this we got a bullish candle close above these previous candles here. 1 second, sorry. There we go. So we're bullish on the monthly. We've hit the high here, which was our target on the lower time frame last week. Now, if we get above here, guys, I'm going to be, expecting continuations up to, potentially these zones over here. That'll be the next zone we will be looking to buy up to. However, because we're consolidating here and we've got, a candle that's like hanging down bearish a little bit, there's not really much going on here on the monthly. We could still be coming down to fill this gap here. We've just got to see what happens, guys. So let's go down to the weekly. Let's start building the story. Now here on the weekly, we have got a previous bearish candle close. Now we've got this week opened up, and this week candle has actually broken that previous candle low and closed bearish. So this could be an indicator that we are going to continue down. If we go to the daily here, yes, we are sitting right on this demand zone here. So I am going to be looking to buy from here, guys, next week. I know we finished bearish there. However, if we get bullish on the lower time frame, because we traded here. We traded from here up to here on Friday. Now, if we get bullish, we are bullish, sorry, on the 4 hour. But if we get bullish on the 1 hour, then I will be looking for full percent buys here, full risk buys. Sorry. However, I am expecting, following on from last week, I am expecting price to come down and, fill this imbalance here. That's what I was expecting last week, but it didn't happen. We got a wick into this demand. It doesn't always have to come and fill it, but that's what I'm expecting, to fill it down here and then give us that continuation, because we've still got the monthly bullish, the daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hour bullish, price action order flow wise. Yes, we've got some candles bearish, etc. Price needs to move backwards. But until we break this demand zone here, I'm not going to be looking for anything longer term in regards to sells. I want to be trading on the right side of the market. So if we go down to the 1 hour, guys, let's say that's what I'm waiting for here. Yeah, we've got some low volume candles here. Price action's a little bit choppy. So as I say, I am going to wait for price to break this for full buys, for full risk buys here. If not, guys, I mean, we've got this range here, which we could trade into if we get, solid candle close confirmation here, which does look like it's got some decent pips. Yeah, 40, 50 pips there. But that might come on market open. As I say, we did trade market open. We trade, pre-London on the Monday. We ignore the price action on the Sunday. Although I might start trading it, because week after week, I just keep seeing perfect entries. And, other people that trade GJ, they're making a lot of money. So I'm like, maybe it's time to maybe jump in on these. But yeah, as I say, we might fill this imbalance here, wick the liquidity, and then head down to the lows here. So, I mean, I'll be trading both directions if we see this. If we trade up like this, fill that imbalance, and then it gives us confirmation here, swipes this liquidity, closes back below, gives us continuation here. We still got the hourly bullish. So if we get candlestick confirmation, the hourly bullish, 30-minute bullish, lower time frame bullish, then we can take a lower risk sell, anticipating that we're going to break these lows and we're going to mitigate the higher time frame imbalance down here before then we get the true reversal and continue up. However, If we continue up here and we just break the highs, guys, I'm just going to be looking for price to continue up to the highs. So that's what I'm looking at there on GJ. If we go on gold, what can we see? Let's go up to the monthly, see what's happening. Again, we've still got this confirmed continuation, guys. Gold still looks like it wants to go test these highs. Got the confirmed continuation pattern here. We've got the follow-on candle here for continuation. We've got the third continuation candle here. That could just be pulling back. Now it's hit some liquidity up here, got above this candle. A lot of sells are injecting into the market. And, price is just pushing down to collect more liquidity to then go and smash through them highs. I mean, that's what it looks like here from the monthly. So if we break it down, what can we see on the weekly? The weekly has closing above these wicks here. And price is holding. Price is holding this level up from last week. Here. So price holds this level here. I'm going to be looking for buys next week. It might wick down. If it holds this candle low, comes back up, boom, there we go. That's what I'll be looking for on the lower time frames. However, if next week's candle decides to come, down here and, we break through this support here, then I'm going to be looking for longer term sells and for price to potentially come, all the way down here. So we go on the daily, what we got here? Like it's creating a potential double top. So now, I mean, if we go, let's have a look where we are currently. So if we make support here, so let's go on to so we are bullish on the daily. So if we make support here, I will be looking for buys from here. If this breaks, it's going to come test these lows. And if these lows break on the daily, then we're going to potentially start heading down next week down here. If we go on the 4 hour, we are still, no, we're not bullish anymore. We are bearish because we've got a candle close finally under that low here. So for us to take buys next week on gold, we need gold ideally to get above here. Once gold gets above here, then we could look at taking some buys, fill this wick, and then, anticipate price is going to continue. However, if price again wicks up on the open, make structure down here, then we could see a nice sell back to the bottom of this range here, fill this imbalance, etc., down here. Nice demand zone there. We've got a lot of liquidity line below there, and it's creating looks like a higher time frame double top up here. So if that confirms on the neckline, then that could be and that could confirm what we're seeing on the weekly time frame here. Once we break this neckline here. That's the last weekly demand zone before we start to turn bearish, potentially if we've got, especially a weekly close below there. So on the hour again, guys, I mean, let's go down to the hour. We're looking at, the hour has broken back bullish. So again, look, if we break above here, let me just clear some of these lines off. If we break above here, I'm going to be looking for buys here. Here. Hourly continuations. If we break above here, I'm going to be looking to trade back to that 4 hour high up here. Got a very nice range here. And that fits in with the higher time frame order flow, bias, what we're expecting, we just went over back then. However, if we break under here, then we've got this little range here. And I'll look to trade, down to the lows here. I will be looking to sell until we break this 1 hour low. We've got this little imbalance here that we could fill up on market open, and then price could fill that, as I say, and then, go up from there. So that's it, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know. And remember, $99 a month, guys, we charge, for our membership, and what you get included in there. Live trading every day, 4 or 5 hours every day, Monday to Friday, not on the weekends. We have a rest on the weekends. We just go on the results section here, guys. Where are we? Results section. The prop firm smashing robot included. We've got hundreds of prop firm passes here, guys. We've got some big updates coming next week for the prop firm passing robot. I've just updated the indicator again this morning, look. So we've got this trend direction tool on here. So it helps you manage your risk. It gives you amazing entries here. The entries that it's given us, it's coded from our manual strategy. So as I say, on Friday, for example, the entry that we took, it actually gave the same signal. We didn't even use the indicator. I actually switched it on after we'd hit all the take profits, and it actually got in just before we got in and took profit just before we actually took profit on there. So again, this is to keep you safe, guys. It's really, really good trading wheels, especially for new people. That's not included in the $99 a month. That is separate. However, you do get your own little Discord chat room down here. And, instructions and stuff like that, informational content. So that's it, guys. If you need anything else, let me know. And, hopefully I'll see you in the Discord next week.